Broke in 2025? You're not alone. People are working harder than ever and still falling behind. Bills are rising, jobs feel unstable, and side hustles, they barely cover gas. But what if I told you there are 3 simple businesses anyone can start in 2025, even if you're broke, that can completely change your life? Let's get into it. The reality check. You see, the problem isn't that you're lazy, it's that you're stuck in a system that was never designed to make you rich. Rent is up, credit card debt is rising, expenses never stop. And your 9 to 5? It's just enough to survive, never enough to grow. People are searching for a way out, and the right business could be that exit. Business number 1, digital services. Freelancing is exploding right now. Can you write, edit videos, make logos, run social media? Even basic skills can earn you $20 to $100 an hour. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTool, and the best part? You need 0 money to start. Just skill, consistency, and a Wi-Fi connection. Business number 2, content creation. In 2025, attention is currency, and content is the ATM. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok, or Instagram page. Pick a niche: finance, fitness, food, facts, whatever excites you. Low cost, high potential, passive income with time. And yes, it takes work, but it also builds a brand, and a brand opens every door. Business number 3, print on demand. Don't have inventory? No problem. With print on demand, you design once, and platforms handle the rest. T-shirts, notebooks, tote bags. Sell through sites like Teespring, Redbubble, Etsy. People are building real income streams from simple designs and funny slogans. Minimal risk, maximum potential. Feeling stuck? You don't need a rich background, just grit, clarity, and the right move. Will you stay broke in 2025 or build something that changes your 2026 forever? Comment below. I'm building now. Subscribe. This is where broke ends and freedom begins.